Try natin guys. Yan. Come and join me. Okay. Try natin. Double, triple, quadruple, approve, approve, approve. Yung dough ay sobrang soft and basta sobra siya. Ayan, ha? Try nyo to sa bahay nyo. Sobrang dali lang gawin. May bago na naman akong ituturo sa inyo. Back to cooking time. Ayan, bagong recipe na ituturo ko sa inyo. Chicken pie. Ayan, para sa mga mahilig ng chicken pie, ito na po. This is fast and easy cooking tips para sa inyo. Right, today ituturo ko po sa inyo step by step kung paano magluto at paano mag-bake ng chicken pie. Including ng dough and yung crust at saka yung filling ng chicken pie. Fast and easy recipe. Come! For those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and please do not forget to click the bell button for the notifications for the upcoming videos. Okay. Para sa ating crust or sa ating mealy dough, para sa ating chicken pie, ito po yung mga sangkap na ating gagamitin. We need the all-purpose flour, we need 100 grams na salted butter, room temperature, and then we need also sugar, a pinch of salt, and just a tablespoon of water, and then 1 piece of egg. Ayan. Para po sa ating procedure, we need also a mixing bowl. Ayan. Right. So first is we have to put in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then we just add on our butter. This is room temperature butter, 100 grams only. Yan. Hindi po siya kailangang melted kasi gagawa po tayo ng mealy dough or yung rough na dough. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Just merely before doing this, kailangan maghugas po kayo ng kamay kasi this is manual po ang pagka-crust. Yan. Gagawa tayo ng parang ang dating niya ay parang pulburon. Yan. Okay. Then we just add on our salt and then our sugar. Okay. Okay. Then we'll just add our egg. And then yung ating teaspoon of water. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, yan po yung ating dough. And then, we just wrap it sa ating cling wrap. Okay. We just wrap it. Then we just leave it sa chiller for 20 minutes. Okay. In the meantime, gawin po natin yung ating fillings. Alright. Okay, now for our fillings para sa ating chicken pie. Okay, we need a diced chopped chicken breast. Ayan, boneless dapat. And then we also have carrots and potato. And then we have a red onion, and then garlic, salt and pepper, Tabasco or yung ating pepper sauce, and then we also have our cream. Yan. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng what do you call this? Mushroom for this. Mas malinam lang po siya. Okay. Alright, in a clean pan, nag-add po ako ng a little bit amount of oil, and then I just put on our garlic. Okay. Chopped garlic. I'll just add on our red onion. Okay. Smells so good. I'll just add on our chopped chicken breast. Yung chopped na chicken breast, nilagyan ko lang po siya ng kunting asin and pepper earlier. Yeah, we leave it for a few minutes until makita nyo na everything will turn into white. So that means na pre-cook na po yung ating chicken. Okay? Right? Looks like yung ating meat ay already turns into white. Now we will add on our vegetables. As I've mentioned, you could also use mixed vegetables. Whatever that you have at home, you could use that one. On my side, I just chopped my vegetables, whatever vegetables that I have in my fridge. Potato, inisok ko po siya sa water kanina. Tinanggal ko na po yung water. So I just add it in. Okay. Also add Lea Perrine Sauce in case if you want to. Yan, dagdag pang lasa po yan. And it also smells good. Okay. In the meantime, you could also add on your salt and pepper. Yan. Right, then we just add on a few drops of Tabasco or yung ating pepper sauce. Yan. Okay. Now, na-pre-cook na po ang ating meat and ating vegetables. And look at that. Na-pre-cook na po siya, right? So, ayan. Then, we can add on our cream. This one is cream of mushroom. You could also use no, this one is cream of chicken, but nevertheless you could always use cream of mushroom. Ayan. Okay. Then give it a mix. Then we just leave it for around 3 to 5 minutes until yung ating cream of mushroom ay settle together with the other ingredients. And then, i-adjust po natin yung apoy into, okay, yung low heat. Yan. Right? Okay, we just leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, yan. Luto na po ang and look at this. Right? Yeah. Looks good. And it smells good. And it tastes good. Alright. Then, in the meantime, we'll just go back with our dough. Okay, ito na po yung ating dough, and then I just use a pan and grease with butter. Okay, yan, just assemble it here using sa aking kamay. I just assemble it here like this. Okay? Yan. And then we just leave it for a few minutes. Saka natin ilagay yung ating filling. Alright, so after a few minutes na pinasettle natin ng konti yung ating crust. So ayan, lalagyan na po natin, i-add na po natin yung ating ginawa na chicken pie fillings. Okay? We slowly add to the side. basta pantay-pantay po siya. Okay. Okay? Yan. Once napantay nyo na po ang inyong fillings, then we just add on yung covered dyan sa topping sa itaas. Just roll it, then press it a bit. Yeah. Just put it there. Alrighty, now it's ready, and yeah, baking time will only take about 25 minutes. Yan. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Alright, chicken pie is coming up. Alrighty. Hey guys, we will try yung ating newly baked and freshly baked na chicken pie. Yan. Try natin guys. Yan. Come and join me. Yan. Okay. Try natin. Double, triple, quadruple, approve, approve, approve. Yan. Sobrang sarap. Yan. You must try this at home guys. Yung feeling ay tamang-tama. Yung dough ay sobrang soft and basta sobra-sobra siya. Ayan ha. Try nyo to sa bahay nyo. Sobrang dali lang gawin. Enjoy! Thank you! Guys, it's another quick and easy tips and guide para sa inyo, and I hope you get something and learn something out from that video guide. Okay, kita-kits next time. See ya. Bye. For those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to click the bell button for the notifications for the upcoming videos. Ayan, para wag po kayo magpahuli sa mga upcoming videos ko. Okay, thank you. Hope you like my videos. And please do not forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you. This is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Always keep safe. And please, always wear the sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. Okay? And to always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Again, this is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy. I'll see ya. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah! Mwah!